Hi, just a quick one. If you've got a Nokia 2660 Flip and for whatever reason wants to delete everything on it, pictures, messages, settings, etc. and restore it to its factory settings, this is how you do that. First, open up the phone and navigate to Settings, followed by System and then About. In here, select the option Restore Factory Settings, followed by OK. Now, just wait a few seconds while the phone resets and then restarts. If you're selling or getting rid of the phone, when this screen pops up, it is a good time to turn the phone off and then pack it down into the box. To turn the phone off here, just press and hold the power button just above the keypad for a few seconds until the phone shuts down. And that's about that. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, bye!